Hey there, this is SkibumPapa and... Wait, I'm missing something. Let me hear.
Whoa!
Whoa, hey, who are you?
I'm SkibumFinn.
Alright, welcome to the party. So what are we going to be doing here?
We have irons, wax, and brushes, and all these other tools.
Alright. So we've had a lot of friends ask us, hey, can you make videos
Yeah.
about how to keep our gear running during the winter?
Yeah.
We happily oblige.
Yeah.
So we're going to move forward. We're going to make some videos for you because we are ready for snowflakes to fall, aren't we?
Woohoo!
Woo! All right, let's do this.
And first you get your iron, then your wax. You melt it, then put it. Hasn't gotten warmed up. Then just put it on there. Yeah. Then you just scrape it on there, and then then after all of that, just yeah, it's pretty fun just doing this. Good. Now we're all nice and done. Tiny bits, and now we're done. Woo! Now you get your scraper, and now you just scrape it. Don't get the, well, I have the middle part, so you don't get the middle part. It's doing. You put 2 fingers like that, and then put your thumbs right under that. Keep it as flat as possible, and then you just don't press that hard, but it will get it off, for most of it. Now it's time to brush. Yeah. You're always supposed to, on this brush, you're always supposed to use this side first and then this side. Tip to tail. Thanks for watching.